Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about crypto.com, CRO Coin, take a look at Bitcoin, because there's some very interesting things happening that we need to talk about. So without further ado, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop into this video. So guys, right now, Bitcoin is trading at just beneath $69,000. Getting a little bit of a pullback after we had that little bit of a move back to 70,000, 71,000, down about 1.26%. Bitcoin dominance trading at 52.16%. When you exclude stablecoins, about 54%. But all in all here, guys, I've been saying it for a while. Bitcoin dominance is probably going to make its way up higher as we get closer to this halving. And when I say close to this halving, probably will continue after the halving as well for a momentary amount of time. As long as we continue these big impulsive moves to the upside, you're going to see dominance continue to make a move up, especially on the Bitcoin dominance chart. It does look like we need to see a little bit of a breakout to the upside. So I'm keeping close attention to that for the short term for dominance to increase. But something I really want to talk about today is CRO Coin, because CRO Coin came out with 20% per annum return on a locked cronos of a year long term. You can follow me on Twitter, by the way, at 333Blacksea. I post these interesting things I see in real time. But I want to talk about if this is bullish or bearish, just briefly. But Crypto Kip later tonight is going to be coming out with a full-length, in-depth video about this and really pick this and piece this apart. But I want to know, guys, do you think this is bullish or bearish? A 12-month term is a lot of time, but I will say 20% on your CRO is outrageous. That's incredible. It's unheard of when it comes to a coin that actually has value and has a market cap as large as Cronos does have. I think it's bullish, but I want to know what you guys have to say about it. But let's take a look at CRO Coin, because right now we are, struggling. We're struggling a little bit underneath 15 cents, trading about 0.1470. I'm almost at 15 cents. Guys, I keep telling you, you need to be patient with CRO. You need to be patient with CRO. When the bull market comes, they start to release things like this. There's going to be more and more of these things that get released that bring in more of the mania, more of the retail. The retail will see this and say, oh my gosh, that's great. Let me get some CRO Coin. Because it is good, guys. This is good. But you need to be patient, because as we get deeper and deeper into this bull market, that's when you'll see more and more of Crypto.com coming out with these bullish, basically enticing items to sell. These enticing utilities to make more money using their product. I guess you could call them products. More enticing products for retail to use. And when you see that, when they start to do that throughout this bull market, you'll see the price start to increase. But all in all here, when it comes to CRO, I say you need to be patient. You need to be patient because, in my opinion, I use CRO Coin as a indicator of how much retail is invested into the crypto space, because people that are not in the cryptocurrency ecosystem and echo chamber on a day-to-day basis are going to come Google crypto, and the first thing that's going to come up is crypto.com, and you'll start to see the price reflect that. All in all here, guys, I'm bullish on CRO. They're starting to tease some interesting things, interesting products to make this price increase, in my opinion. Now, obviously, in the short term, you need to be patient, but let's talk about the long term a little bit. Let's take a look at Bitcoin, because Bitcoin right now, I've been talking about how is the top in. Yesterday, I made a video about that. Is the top in? No, I don't think the top is in, but I should say the macro top. I don't think the macro top is in. Are we making a local top? Maybe, but it does seem pretty healthy when you look at the daily time frame on Bitcoin. We're seeing the curvature. I think there's a good chance that the bottom is in around that $61,000 price level. We are getting rejected off of that 71,000. We came up all the way to 71,005, and now we're trading inside the green box at about 69,000. Could we come down, maybe make a little cup and handle? Sure. Could the bottom be in? Sure. I have been saying, guys, I'm short-term bearish, long-term bullish. there's some things happening on the longer term time frames, the higher term time frames that are extremely bullish. Extremely bullish. Even on the daily, this is a great thing to see. The green dot on Market Cipher. You're seeing the money flow increasing. The green dot right here to start clipping to the upside. Things are looking good. But on the monthly, guys, pay attention to this white line right here. This white line, in my opinion, is what indicates, okay, we're going to have a big corrective period. A big, long corrective period. If we spill over it. In the past cycles, past cycle peaks, 2017, 2021, you can see we broke above it and we stayed above it. And once we started coming down below the 60, capitulation. Now it's a little bit harder to tell from the less liquid times when the market cap of Bitcoin was underneath $1 trillion back in 2017. But the last cycle really shows when we started to spill over the 60, which is right here, the dark white line, that was about right before we started to see this big move to the downside. Now, I will even go even further to say that the top is not in because we haven't even touched the 100. Every time we've touched the 100 and gotten the red dot on the peak over the 100, this dotted white line, that has indicated the top is in. And well, we haven't even broken above that yet, guys. We have not even broken above that. The higher term time frames are what I'm focusing on. I am a cyclical trader. I like trading big swings based on cycles. I scalp here and there, but my biggest wins are when I am trading based on cycles. And in my opinion, guys, we have some time. We have some time to enjoy this bull market. It might be hard. I joke about saying that the bull market can be much more difficult than a bear market because it's harder to get out than it is to dollar cost average in when you're getting wrecked, when the market's getting wrecked. It's sometimes tough to pull that money out when you're seeing your portfolio grow and grow and grow, and you say, oh, well, this was the target I wanted, but if I take it out now, I might miss out on another zero getting added to my portfolio. Lots of mind games, guys. But the biggest takeaway I want you to pull from this is, in my opinion, we have time, guys. We haven't even reached the 100 yet. Really curious to see how this monthly candle closes. Closes in about 4 days and 4 hours. We're getting closer and closer. And then, guys, we have the halving. Probably some fireworks. Probably some big fireworks. Whether it's to the upside or the downside, expect volatility, guys. Expect volatility. If you like this type of content, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Also, check out some awesome referral links we have down below. We have a $4,100 sign-up bonus to Femex. All you got to do is click the link, deposit, trade a little bit, get a bunch of free money. Also, like I said earlier, please go follow me on Twitter at 333Blacksea. Very active over there. Like I said, whenever I see some infographics or some interesting things that I think that are important to look at, I post them immediately, and it's in real time, so you won't have to wait till the next day for me to make a video. Please keep a lookout for this video about this 20% per annum and this fixed 12-month term, 1 year, for the video that CryptoKip is coming out with tonight. It's going to be a deep dive. Lots of valuable information in there. But that's all I got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.